Welcome to Midland Homes. This community is located at 18110 Midline Landing Trails in Webster, Texas. Welcome to the Panamera. I am Melissa Walker, and thank you for joining me. I cannot wait to show you this home by Highland Homes. Now to your left, you would have the garage, but we also have this little area right here, which is our first bedroom. Not the primary, but it is a bedroom. And right across from this bedroom, we have a bathroom. This is the closet. And it is really a full bathroom. You see it has oh, look at the floors. Highland Homes does not skip on the floors. But we have the shower, and it's done just like I like it being done, with the towel going all the way to the top. We have another hallway closet. To our left, we have another like living room, media room, however, whatever you want to turn into study. It has the double doors for us. If you want to close off that area, you can. And if you want to open up the doors, there we have it. And right across from there, we have the utility room. I know the wallpaper is super interesting. You do not have to get it. And here we are at the kitchen. I love this island. We have extra sitting space. Let's see what this, don't you just love, I love this right here. I just love it. This area right here. This is the pantry. And yes, if you want some goldfish, I got you. You want some, I'll get you Chips Ahoy. You want some chocolate chip cookies? Your girl got you. But I love the cabinets. Gas stove. No trash can sitting out. There you go, right there. Dishwasher. Let's see if we have a soft close. Yes, yes. So we are now entering into our little kind of dining area. Perfect place for your Christmas tree if that's your thing. We're into the living room now. And I just love the patio door. So this is your view if you're up against the patio doors. And we have two ways to get to the patio, outside from the patio. You have these doors, and I actually like how these doors are made. So you have this right here, and of course, they do lock, but you also have your door over here that takes you out to your covered patio. And so, of course, you can pick the type of lot that you want, but I want you to see the back of the house. This is the back of the house. Don't you just love the bay window? I am a bay window lover. And this leads us to our primary. And this is the window that I was just loving on. And we're walking into our primary bathroom. You still have tons of leg room here. We have our linen closet here. And more. This just made me excited. I have never seen that much closet space in the bathroom. I just love it. We have this great tub, separate shower, and again, everything goes all the way around. I mean, do you see the towel everywhere? I love this bathroom. And then we have our double vanity. This bathroom offers so much space. And then we have the closet. So now let's head upstairs. Beautiful stairs. And we are upstairs. This is another family room, entertainment kind of like room. So this is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 4-bath. A 5th bedroom is optional. Entertaining room. You have a family room, loft dining area as well. This is looking down. We have another bathroom. But this bathroom, this area is enclosed inside of the home or inside of this room. So this would be a good room for that college student or I wouldn't say our mother-in-law because after a certain age, them steps be stepping, right? But it's a great area. And I guess this is the little polo room, the little polo bear on it. So we're still inside the bedroom, if you can see that. And this is the bathroom. So all of this is enclosed in this room. So this is the room. You can see this is where the family room is at. And this room is right here with the ensuite. Let's see. The primary is the only room downstairs. Oh, look at this beautiful subway. Look at this tile. And again, all the way to the top. One sink. And we do have a linen closet. What do you think of the tile here? Then we have another room. This one looks like they turned it into a study, but it can actually be a bedroom. Tons of options. And did I tell you this home you can have a 5th bedroom if you like? And this is another bedroom with the bathroom inside of it as well. Nice size closets. I thought this was so cute. I am Elisa Walker with the Walker Real Estate Group, and thank you so much for staying to the end. One thing I want to show you was these cute, cute doors, how I like how these open, not your normal that you just have to slide from the back side, that these kind of actually open up like this and allows you to exit out. So there are 2 ways to the patio door, which we talked about earlier. Well, this home starts off and is being offered at $515,990. So yes, you can have the Panamera for that low price. Let me tell you a little bit about Highland Homes. This is an employee-owned builders. So they care about their product and they care about you. So if you're looking for something, we are in the Friendswood, Texas area. And these plants I thought were so cute. Everything is named after a car. So you can have the Maybach, the Rover, the Continental, the Escalade. Now, I don't know why they don't have a navigator on there, but I will have a talk with them about that because we need a navigator, right? You can't get a neon. That's not what we do here, but that's okay. But there are tons of different floor plans for you to see. And if this home interests you or any interests you in the Friendswood area, give me a call. I am Melissa Walker. I'm here to serve you and walk you to home ownership, whether you're looking to buy in 7 days, 70 days, or 3 years. Let's get together and create a plan, a strategy for you to get into your home or get into this home or any home that fits you and your family needs. Again, thank you for watching. 409-692-7768. I am Melissa Walker. Let's talk about the community. Let's talk a little bit about what schools we are zoned through here in the Midland community. The school is for education. We have P.H. Green Elementary School, Brookside Intermediate School, which is from the 6th to 8th grade. And we also have Clearbrook High School, which is 9th through 12th grade, right? Your electricity providers here in Texas, you have the power to choose your electric company. So you can go to powertochoose.org and connect your electricity company. The water is Psy Environmental, gas is Centerpoint Energy, and trash is Best Trash. Now, taxes, okay, the tax rate is 2.707928, and the annual HOA dues, $1,404 through Midland. Hello, Midland.com. Your HOA is your HOA association. So this is located, Midland is located south of Houston, west of the Bay. We're right by Baybrook Mall. So if you enjoy shopping, this is the place. Not far from NASA and not far from Galveston. If you want to get to enjoy the beaches where I grew up, you're about less than 30 minutes away from Galveston. So it's a great location. And I will be bringing you other homes in this community. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe and can't wait to share more.